Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to create a multiple watch list in TradingView to set up a multiple watch list setup. So here you can firstly open the tradingview.com. Okay, once you opened it, here you will see in your top right corner in your sidebar the watch list icon. Simple tap on it and here you will find a default watch list that is created by the trading. Now to create a new watch list, you can simple click on the down arrow of your watch list and now click on create new list. Okay. So this feature will be only available for the paid users. So if you click on the create new list, it will firstly ask you to enter the name and then here you can easily add the stocks here as same as you will add in your default. Okay, no other any step, no longer process, same as like this where you can easily add the watch list here, same as you can do in your new watch list once you create it, and then it will create it here at the top showing the name of the new watch list. You will see here in the reference video, and then same as you can add the watch list, and then you can easily create multiple watch list. Okay, goodbye.